Most men are told that if a woman isn't interested, there's nothing they can do, but that isn't always true. Disinterest isn't permanent. A woman who seems indifferent today can find herself thinking about you tomorrow, even craving your presence. The key isn't in chasing harder or pleading for attention, it's understanding the psychology of attraction. Attraction isn't built on desperation, it's built on perception. Women are drawn to men who value themselves, hold their ground, and maintain a sense of mystery. When you chase, beg, or constantly prove your worth, you hand over power without even realizing it. But when you understand the subtle psychological triggers, you can flip her indifference without lowering your standards or compromising your self-respect. In this video, we'll explore strategies that position you as a man she can't ignore, from learning when to pull back to creating intrigue through silence and independence. These methods are about becoming magnetic naturally, not through games or manipulation. Stick with me, because once you understand these principles, you'll never waste energy chasing someone who doesn't value you. Instead, you'll create an attraction that draws her in effortlessly. Many men believe that if a woman seems uninterested, the solution is to try harder, call more, text more, or shower her with attention. But this approach almost always backfires. The harder you push, the less attractive you become. Chasing doesn't create desire, it diminishes it. Human desire is driven by scarcity and perceived value. Think about the last time you wanted something badly, a limited edition gadget, a rare opportunity, or even someone's attention. At first, the desire is intense because it feels earned. Now imagine someone handing it to you freely every day, begging you to accept it. Suddenly, it feels ordinary, even unremarkable. The same principle applies to attraction. When you chase a woman relentlessly, you remove the sense of challenge and mystery that fuels her interest. You make yourself predictable, easy, and, unfortunately, forgettable. Chasing also signals insecurity. It communicates that you don't value yourself enough to stand firm, that your happiness depends on her attention. And nothing kills attraction faster than a lack of self-confidence. The secret is to pull back strategically. Create space. Let her notice your absence. When you stop being constantly available, you give her mind the opportunity to wonder about you. Questions naturally arise. Why hasn't he messaged today? Is he talking to someone else? That curiosity is the spark of attraction. Ultimately, the men women are drawn to are those who don't chase. They're the ones who maintain their value, show confidence, and let attraction build naturally. Chasing doesn't make her want you more. It makes her take you for granted. Many men believe that constant communication proves their interest. They send good morning texts, check in throughout the day, and wish her good night, thinking effort equals attraction. In reality, this often backfires. Too much communication becomes noise, and noise is easily ignored. Silence, on the other hand, is powerful. It creates curiosity and tension, two of the strongest drivers of attraction. When you step back and stop flooding her with messages, she begins to wonder about you. Questions naturally form in her mind. Why hasn't he messaged? Is he busy? Has he lost interest? That mental space gives her the chance to notice your value and imagine your presence. Attention is like currency. If you spend it freely, it loses worth. But when your attention is rare and meaningful, it becomes something to be earned and desired. The key is balance. This isn't about playing immature games or ignoring her completely. It's about showing that your life is full, that your world doesn't revolve around her replies. For example, if she starts taking longer to respond or sends shorter messages, most men panic and double text. Instead, try stepping back for a day or two. Suddenly, your absence will be felt. She may reach out first, or at the very least, begin to consider your value more consciously. Silence isn't emptiness, it's a tool of attraction. It signals confidence, independence, and self-respect. Sometimes the most powerful thing you can communicate to a woman is nothing at all. Availability can be attractive, but only in the right balance. Being too available, however, can destroy desire faster than almost anything else. When a man cancels plans with friends, responds instantly to every text, or drops everything at her call, he may think he's showing effort, but in reality, He's making himself predictable and unremarkable. Humans are naturally drawn to what they must earn. If someone is always accessible, the challenge disappears, and with it, the excitement. A woman doesn't crave a man who orbits around her every move. She's attracted to men with their own priorities, passions, and commitments, men whose presence feels earned, not guaranteed. Scarcity creates value. When you aren't always available, she notices the gaps. She begins to wonder what you're doing, who you're spending time with, and why she isn't the center of your attention every moment. That curiosity fuels desire. Being independent also signals self-respect. It communicates that your happiness doesn't depend on her, that your time and energy are valuable. Saying, "I'm busy tonight," or pursuing your own goals doesn't make you selfish. It makes you confident. The men women can't stop thinking about are those who live full, independent lives. They aren't desperate for approval. They set their own standards and allow attraction to develop naturally. When you stop being constantly available, you create a magnetic pull that draws her toward you instead of pushing her away with neediness. Honesty and transparency are important in relationships, but too much openness too soon can kill attraction. Many men make the mistake of oversharing, revealing every thought, every plan, every detail of their life, believing it builds trust. In reality, it often removes the intrigue that keeps a woman engaged. Attraction is emotional, not logical. Curiosity is one of the most powerful emotions, and when a woman doesn't know everything about you, her mind begins to fill in the blanks. She starts imagining who you are, what you do, and what it would be like to be closer to you. That mental guessing game keeps her engaged, thinking about you even when you're not around. Think of it like your favorite movie. The suspense, the cliffhangers, the unknown, these are what keep you watching. If the entire story was revealed in the first 5 minutes, the excitement disappears. The same principle applies in attraction. By pacing what you reveal about yourself, you maintain tension and keep her intrigued. Mystery isn't about lying or being deceptive. It's about holding back just enough for her to earn the right to know you deeper. A man who reveals everything immediately often becomes predictable and ultimately forgettable. On the other hand, a man who shares selectively, allowing her to discover him gradually, becomes compelling and magnetic. The less she knows, the more she imagines, and often what she imagines is even more powerful than reality. Controlled mystery creates desire, keeps her curiosity alive, and encourages her to invest emotionally in understanding you. By mastering the balance between openness and mystery, you position yourself as a man who is worth discovering, a man she can't stop thinking about. Many men fall into the trap of competing for a woman's attention. They see her interacting with other men and feel the need to comment faster, compliment louder, or push harder to be noticed. But this mindset is the exact opposite of what creates attraction. When you compete, you place her on a pedestal. You treat her attention like a prize you have to win, rather than something naturally earned. Women can sense this energy immediately. It communicates desperation, insecurity, and a lack of self-worth. None of these traits are attractive. Real attraction doesn't come from competing. It comes from being the prize. A man who knows his value doesn't worry about who else is texting her, liking her photos, or trying to impress her. He stands firm, confident in his worth, and doesn't shrink in comparison to others. His time, attention, and energy are valuable, and he communicates that subtly through his actions. When you stop competing, everything changes. Your presence becomes rare and magnetic. She no longer assumes you're always available or eager for her approval. Instead, she begins to earn your attention, which naturally increases her interest and desire. The harsh truth is simple. Women are drawn to men who respect themselves. Competing for attention pushes them away, while confidence, independence, and calm self-assurance pull them closer. By shifting your mindset from trying to win her over to being the man she wants to earn, you position yourself as someone she can't forget.